Scraps. We all have them. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, today I'm going to show you how to take those paper scraps and create your own custom decorative tape. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. And thank you so much for the positive way in which I know you're going to engage with me in the comment section. Y'all, I've shown you my paper scraps many times since I've been on YouTube, and I've shown you various ways to use them. Well, today we are going to create our own custom decorative tape from scrap paper. And when you're finished, you're going to be able to peel off this decorative tape and use it however you want. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because, y'all, we are going to jump right into it. All right, y'all, so like I said, we are going to jump right into the project. So I have a whole bunch of scrap pieces that I pulled from some of my 12 by 12 paper pads that I have been using. So all I'm going to do is cut these into 1-inch strips. So I'm just going to get me a whole bunch of 1-inch paper strips. And I'm just doing an assortment of patterns right now because I want to show you how this can actually turn out. So we have all of these pieces, and I am cutting them into 1-inch strips, or close to 1 inch. Now, some of you might already be doing something similar. Some of you might not even want to do this process at all. That is completely up to you. For me, I thought it was a process worth sharing, so that's why I'm sharing it. But if it doesn't work for you, y'all, that's okay. It'll just be one of those things in which you're not interested. So I am just getting all of my 1-inch strips. And I have these left, so I'll be able to go back and make more strips. So I am just going to take these, turn them over so that I can see what I have. So here are all of my 1-inch strips, and y'all, the secret to making my decorative tape is using sticker paper, and I'll have the sticker paper listed in the description box. This is what I use. So if you're going to get sticker paper, just make sure that you get sticker paper that works with your printer. So all I'm going to do is I am simply going to take my pieces and I'm going to put them down face up. Now, this is not double-sided sticker paper. This is single-sided. So we'll be doing something else in just a minute. And I'm leaving a little bit of space in between. You don't have to. And they probably aren't even perfectly straight. That's okay too. So I am just putting these down like this. If you have all of the same color, you can create a color sheet to match projects that you're doing. So we're going to go ahead and put this one down. I can see where I'm very crooked. And we're going to put this one down. And then we'll see if we can squeeze this one on as well. All right, so now that I have my pieces down, I'm going to take my trimmer and I am just going to trim away the top edge as well as the bottom edge so that I'll have everything nice and even. So I might lose about 1/4 of an inch when I'm doing that. But now I have this beautiful piece here. Now remember I said my sticker sheet was single-sided, so it's not going to be possible for me to peel this up right now and have tape on the back because the tape is stuck to this. What I'm going to do, and remember, this is how I'm going to do it. You might do it differently. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to run it through my printer on the copy setting. And I'll be copying it to a sheet of the same sticker paper. So I'm just going to transfer the hard copies here to a sheet of sticker paper. And I'll save this because this will be my reusable template if I want to go back and make some more of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my printer and I am going to copy this onto the sticker paper. And I'll have the sticker paper linked in the description box below. Just make sure you find a sticker paper that's appropriate for your machine. And I keep calling it sticker paper, but it's actually label paper, but it works. It's a sticker. So y'all, I will be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. So here is the template that I used. And here is the print that I printed on my Epson EcoTank. Now you can see that the colors are slightly different, and that's because I don't think that I picked the right setting. But either way, this is more than acceptable to me. And then this is the one that I did earlier. Here's my original. Here are the stickers. I'll definitely save these because I'll be able to reproduce this as many times as I like. So here is my sweet little decorative tape sheet. I'm going to show you very quickly how we can use this. So let's say we wanted to make a card. So I'm going to take this piece of cardstock and I cut it down to 8.5 by 5.5. Then on the 8.5 inch side, I'm going to go ahead and score it at 4.25, just like we would a card. And then let's just fold it. I'm going to bring in a piece of this to use as a background. I'm just giving you guys an idea of what we can do. So I'm really not going to be doing any real measuring here. I am just demoing how we can use our beautiful decorative tape. So I'm going to take my tape runner. We're going to add some tape to the back, like this. Then I'm going to take my decorative tape sheet, and the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to trim away the edges because I want it to be nice and even. Then I'll trim away the top because again I want that to be nice and even, and I'm going to trim away the bottom because I want that to be nice and even. So now I can come in and I am just going to grab some of this piece. And so now we can take this piece and we can place it on top here. So I am just going to cut this down to 5.5. Of course, we'll save that piece because we'll be able to use it. And so now I can just peel it. And y'all, it's sticky. So we can take it and we can place it on our card just like that to give us a nice little border. Then we can put something decorative on the top. So now I can just finish this off with a very simple sticker from the Dollar Tree. And I think I'll take the one that says Cherish. We'll put that part right there. And then we'll put this in here, right where it belongs. And now you can see that we have a beautiful card. And we made it with some of our own custom decorative tape. So you can use this tape to seal an envelope. You can use this tape to seal a bag. You can use it to decorate a bag or an envelope. Completely up to you. But I love how easy it was. And it allows us to take advantage of some of the scraps that we accumulate as paper crafters. So I do hope that you'll give this a try because I think you'll find that you're really enjoying doing this. You don't even have to do it in strips. You can do it however you want. You can cut some circles, you can cut some rectangles, you can cut some flowers. All you have to do is lay them down on the sticker sheet and then copy that sheet onto another sticker sheet, and you will have custom embellishments and custom tape. So y'all, I hope that you have enjoyed this quick way to take those scraps and make them work for you. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.